Hello, my name is Karuna Maharani, and I'm very happy to talk to you a little bit today about Bastis. Bastis are the Ayurvedic enemas that are often part of an Ayurvedic treatment or therapy. Sometimes you might be asked to do a Basti at home, and for this particular purpose, we created this video. Bastis are one of the most nurturing and vata pacifying procedures in Ayurvedic medicine. It works on calming and soothing vata dosha, in particular apana vata. As you may know, vata's home location in our body is in the lower digestive area, and by implementing Ayurvedic enemas into the body, vata dosha is being soothed. That can have a wonderful effect on soothing vata disorders. Some of them include anxiety, nervousness, digestive disorders, dryness of any tissues, and many, many more. Bastis nurture all 7 tissues of the body. It can be wonderful for rejuvenation of the skin tissue, blood, lymph, and even as far as the bone tissue. So for those of you that might be suffering from osteoporosis, dry and brittle bones, this is a wonderful procedure to consider. But the benefits of Bastis are much vaster than that. And if you have worked with an Ayurvedic physician, there might be already a recommendation that you have received and a reasoning for receiving this Basti today. For home use, the most easy equipment to use are the bulb syringes, and I'd like to show you what they look like. Here's one of these simple oil bulb syringes that you can buy either here in our center or at a pharmacy. They're very easy to use and I recommend them highly. In terms of equipment, you will also need something to warm the ingredients that go inside this Basti decoction. Most likely you will receive a recommendation from the Ayurvedic practitioner of what to use. Commonly we use ashwagandha bala oil. Ashwagandha is very strengthening to the immune system, nurturing to the adrenals, and bala literally means strength in Sanskrit. Therefore, the Basti procedure is nurturing your entire body from the inside out. What you want to do is take about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of oil and warm it up in a container. You can do this in a little portable set like this, or you can use a saucer or a small pot at home. You pour the oil into the container. So take your bulb syringe, place it inside the oil and squeeze all the air out. Now place it in there and it will naturally soak in all the oil. Tip it over and hold it upright. Now you're ready for your Basti application. Prepare your room in which you will self-administer the Basti. Make sure you're undisturbed and the room is warm and comfortable. Most likely you'll be very comfortable lying on the floor on a nice towel. And lie on your left side with your right leg tilted over so that you can easily reach the rectum area. Now take the Basti syringe and insert it about 1.5 to 2 inches into the rectum. Tilt the Basti syringe in a way that no air will enter but the oil will pour. So hold it at a slight angle. Now slowly press the oil out of the syringe. The more time you take and the more you relax, the easier it will be to hold the oil decoction inside. Remember, there's a lot of space inside your colon area, so don't be concerned or worried that you won't be able to hold the Basti. However, you should never strain, and if you feel like that you would actually stop before you have all the oil administered, that's perfectly fine. Ayurveda believes in a non-forceful approach, so even when you insert the tip, be really gentle and easy about it. So now that you self-administered the Basti to yourself, you can lie on your left side for just a moment. Then put yourself into a comfortable position, maybe on your bed or on your sofa. It may be easier to relax when you lie on a towel, but don't worry, usually Bastis do not just leak out. However, sometimes when you pass a little bit of gas, it can be that the Basti sneaks out. For that, it is helpful to put a liner in your underwear and also lie on a towel while you rest. You're being asked to rest for about up to 30 minutes with an Ayurvedic oil Basti. However, if you feel the urge to get up earlier and eliminate the Basti, please follow that urge. Again, don't be forceful. Go easy with this procedure. If you feel a little bit of a sense of discomfort, it might be helpful to massage your abdominal area. Usually, we'll massage the abdominal area in a clockwise motion. But when you self-administer a Basti, we actually ask you to gently massage counterclockwise, allowing the oils to be pushed up the colon and being absorbed a little bit easier this way. You also want to place a warm water bottle on your stomach while you rest. The warmth will help you relax. It will help the absorption of the oils into your body. Relax, listen to music or read a book, or think about the healing properties of the oils and herbs that are now being transdermally absorbed into your colon. The colon is one of the most easy transparent tissues through which herbal and oil infusions can be absorbed. And the benefits of the Bastis are so vast. I would really like to encourage you to do a Basti up to once a week or as part of a treatment protocol. So discuss the frequency of your treatment and what decoctions to use with your Ayurvedic practitioner. The best time to administer a Basti is usually at a time where you can really rest during and after the procedure. For most of us, that might be more around the evening times. So I recommend to do an oil Basti at about 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the evening. That way, after you've rested, you can just put a liner in your underwear, maybe put a towel in your bed for security and safety, and sleep with the Basti inside. Most of the time, this is done with very little effort, and it's very easy to keep the Basti in your body overnight and let the healing herbs transdermally be absorbed. You'll then eliminate the oil Basti at the next time you have a bowel movement. If you do feel like you have to eliminate the Basti earlier, that's perfectly fine. Just remember to wear a liner in your underwear for almost the whole day, in case a little bit of oil might sneak out while you pass gas. If you use a different container than the one described here, make sure that it's sterile, that it's clean, and also you might have to oil the tip. In our case here, since we're dipping it inside the oil, it is already oiled, so that will be easy. Once you experience the benefits of Bastis, you most likely will feel that your skin begins to be more shiny, your joints more fluid and loose and comfortable. You might experience less cracking of the joints. You also might feel more grounded. So these are some of the subjective but very powerful experience that you can expect from an oil Basti. To clean your Basti syringe, you want to take it apart and wash it with soap and water. Shake out the excess water and let it air dry on a towel before placing it inside a Ziploc bag. With every procedure that you could do, you always want to consult with your physician or your Ayurvedic practitioner before starting, of course. Using plain sesame oil is a good alternative. But like I said, ashwagandha bala oil or other herbal decoctions might be recommended by your Ayurvedic practitioner. So talk to them about the frequency of the treatment and any other things relating to the Basti. Make sure you be easy with this process and allow this process to be a very nurturing experience for you. If you have any questions, please let us know. and good luck with your Basti application. Thank you.